Although Samsung has not officially confirmed a release date, rumors suggest that the Galaxy A55 5G could debut in Europe as soon as next week. Adding weight to these rumors, a Russian YouTuber has posted a detailed review video of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, offering an in-depth view of the unreleased device. The Galaxy A55 5G showcases a typical Samsung design, featuring a glossy glass back panel. Its front boasts a 6.64-inch 120Hz AMOLED display with a punch hole for the front-facing camera. The display is rumored to support Vision Booster and ATR10+. Notably, the phone adopts Samsung's key island design, which includes a protrusion on the right edge housing the power and volume rocker buttons. Powering the Galaxy A55 5G is the Exynos 1480 octa-core processor, equipped with Samsung's Eclipse 530 graphics based on the RDNA2 architecture. According to benchmark scores from the review video, Geekbench 6, single-core 1161, multi-core 3398, Antutu 713,993. During sustained performance tests, temperature readings remained stable. The Eclipse 530 GPU reportedly shows significant improvement over the previous generation's Mali G68. Camera-wise, the Galaxy A55 5G sports a 32-megapixel front camera and a rear triple-lens setup, 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel macro. The phone is expected to ship with Android 14 and One UI 6.1, offering configurations with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Other core specifications include a 5,000 mAh battery with 25-watt charging, face unlock, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. Although Samsung has not yet issued an official announcement regarding the Galaxy A55 5G's release, the review video provides a thorough overview of the device's potential features. However, it's advisable to exercise caution until Samsung confirms the details formally. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.